Local headlines. El Centro Regional Medical Center just announced that it's no longer accepting new COVID-19 patients in order to have enough supplies for other patients with non-coronavirus emergencies. 13 on your side's Alexandra Rangel joins us from Imperial County with what this means for residents that need medical help.
The El Centro Regional Medical Center says it saw a sharp spike in COVID cases Monday night. They are currently treating 65 COVID patients, and they say they simply can't accept any more for the time being.
Our numbers just skyrocketed.
Imperial County's numbers also skyrocketing, seeing a jump of 90 new positive cases over the weekend. ECRMC has turned to the county's emergency medical services for help.
Non-COVID patients coming through ambulance will still be cared for. COVID patients will have to be diverted somewhere.
The hospital says it will be transferring at least 7 patients out of the county to be treated for COVID-19. According to ECRMC CEO, the hospital saw a huge spike in patients seeking help this week, adding that many were U.S. citizens coming from across the border for medical care.
I believe they're coming from Mexicali, but they're not Mexican nationals, they're U.S. citizens. They're coming to us because, unfortunately, there was an announcement, or our understanding is that the hospitals there are not accepting COVID patients.
It is unclear where that notice came from. According to Edward, the decision has nothing to do with the capacity the hospital has to treat patients, but that it comes down to resource allocation.
We want to make sure that we don't overwhelm either one of the hospitals and overwhelm the system with COVID patients to the point that we can't take care of you.
Edward says taking on too many COVID patients could jeopardize the health and well-being of critical patients seeking services for non-COVID reasons. We reached out to the Pioneers Memorial Healthcare District. The hospital says it has also seen a surge in cases, and although they are not diverting COVID patients right now, they say it could be a possibility in the coming days. They currently have 22 patients, and 9 of them are in critical condition. It's unclear where our local COVID patients are being transferred to. We're still waiting to hear back from the Imperial County's Emergency Medical Services, who is handling those transfers. Reporting in Imperial County, Alexandra Rangel.
Well, this story brings us to our topic of the day today. Should hospitals be sending COVID-19 patients out of town? You can weigh in on our topic of the day either on Facebook